Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore breathtaking luxury homes that define elegance, space, and the ultimate American lifestyle. Today's tour takes us inside a truly remarkable luxury residence set on expansive land, offering privacy, sophistication, and timeless design. This home is a perfect example of modern American luxury, blending high-end architecture with comfort and functionality. As we arrive at the property, the exterior immediately commands attention. The front elevation features clean architectural lines, a balanced structure, and a refined cream and blue color palette that gives the home a calm yet upscale presence. The wide driveway, landscaped surroundings, and grand entryway create a powerful first impression, setting the tone for what lies inside. Walking toward the main entrance, you can feel the scale of the property. This home was designed not only to impress visually, but to deliver a lifestyle centered around space, privacy, and quality living. Now let's step inside. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by soaring ceilings and an abundance of natural light. The open floor plan creates a seamless flow between spaces, making the home feel both grand and inviting. Every detail, from the flooring to the lighting, reflects thoughtful craftsmanship and luxury design. The living room serves as the heart of the home. Large windows frame beautiful outdoor views while allowing sunlight to flood the space throughout the day. The cream tones combined with subtle blue accents bring warmth and sophistication, making this room perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. This space truly captures the essence of modern luxury living. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a space designed for both function and style. The kitchen features sleek cabinetry, premium countertops, and a spacious island that acts as a central gathering point. Whether you enjoy cooking daily meals or hosting elegant dinner parties, this kitchen offers the perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, designed to elevate every dining experience. The layout allows for easy movement and connection to the surrounding spaces, while elegant lighting adds a refined atmosphere. This is where everyday meals turn into memorable moments. As we continue through the home, the bedrooms provide peaceful private retreats. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind, offering generous space, calming color tones, and modern finishes. The primary bedroom stands out as a true sanctuary, delivering a sense of calm and luxury that feels like a personal escape from the outside world. The bathrooms are nothing short of spa-inspired. Featuring modern fixtures, elegant tile work, and spacious layouts, these bathrooms are designed to offer relaxation and comfort at the highest level. Every detail contributes to a clean, modern, and luxurious experience. This home also includes a private gym, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without leaving the comfort of your property. The gym space is well lit, modern, and designed to keep you motivated while enjoying the convenience of at-home fitness. Now let's step outside to explore the outdoor living areas. The backyard is a true highlight of this estate. The swimming pool area is beautifully designed, offering both style and functionality. With open space, seating areas, and swing features, it's the perfect environment for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments under the open sky. The outdoor areas reflect the same level of detail and quality found throughout the interior, making this home ideal for year-round enjoyment. Inside the home, the TV lounge offers another layer of comfort. This space is designed for entertainment, featuring ambient lighting, modern seating, and a cozy atmosphere perfect for movie nights and family time. Every corner of this property has been carefully planned to deliver luxury, comfort, and lasting value. From the architecture and interior design to the outdoor spaces, this home represents everything that defines the lifestyle showcased here on American Dream Mansions. Homes like this are more than just places to live, they are statements of success, vision, and refined taste. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which part of the home impressed you the most. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions, where extraordinary homes meet extraordinary living.